Good morning, it is Vlogmas day 1, which means it is December 1st. I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this year. I have decided to vlog every day until Christmas. Maybe I'll vlog even after Christmas, who knows. Last year I tried to do it, but I got very overwhelmed and I quit like day 5. But a couple of years ago I did the entire thing and I really enjoy looking back at all the exciting things I did and seeing how small my kids were. I'm just outside of kindy. I'm just going to get Indy. She only has a half day today. Hopefully she is easy to get in the car seat. She tends to be a lot harder when she's tired. Even though she loves kindy so much now, it does make her very exhausted, especially if she's doing a full day. Luckily today is only a half day. Yeah, let's go get her. We have got the baby. Apparently she's been very cheeky towards other kids today, so that's fun. Did you have a good day, Indy?
No.
No? Why not?
I don't like that. Yeah.
Who's that?
Me.
Yeah, that is you.
Yeah. La la la.
Aww. Ignore my lawns because I'm going to mow them this weekend. But how good do my lavenders look? This one is beautiful. This one's a little bit leggy, so I'm going to have to cut that smaller. But I brought these from little babies. I'm currently on my way to get Evelyn and Ella from school, but I probably won't show them until I have got them home and they've got dressed because they'll be in their uniform. I just got nap trapped for a good hour and a half from Indy. She was asleep for ages, then woke up for a split second and went back for a good whole hour, but she just wanted to cuddle, so I just let her. I was just looking online for Christmas presents because I have not done my Christmas shopping yet. I've got a few things in the mail coming, but other than that I've got nothing. It's actually weird though, because even though Black Friday has already been, some of the things I've been looking at are on a better sale now than they were on Black Friday, which is, it's weird, but it is what it is. During 2020 of lockdown, I decided to film a few vlogs and I filmed the kids asking a whole bunch of questions. They're a whole lot older now, so I'm going to redo it and see what their answers are and whether they've changed or not. The first question is, what's your name?
Evelyn. Hello. Guys,
I'm just eating. How old are you?
6.5. 8.5. 8.5. And there's only, what's 2.5? And she's 2.5.
Yeah, go sit there.
6.5.
Yeah, she's
and
2.
you're 8.5.
That's her. How old was Mummy?
31.5. 31.
Yeah,
And a half, man.
If you won $1 million, what would you buy?
I'll buy a sofa.
A sofa.
And then I'll buy like a GTA. No, I'll buy, what is it, Lamborghini. No, I'll buy a Lamborghini.
A what?
I'll buy a Lamborghini.
A Lamborghini.
I'll buy the whole shit. Yeah, it's called Lamborghini. It's a car.
Oh,
No, those cars are like expensive. They cost like $1,000 million. I don't know.
How long does it take to get to America?
12 hours. Oh, I know. One night, one day.
What does Mummy always say to you?
Wow! No, play around.
What job would you like to do when you're older?
Play pizza. Nothing's a bad guy. She wants to be a bad guy. Actually, I want to be a shopper.
A shopper?
I want to be a YouTube. Me too, I'm a little boy.
You're gonna be
YouTube.
My next question is, what would you do to save the planet?
Save the planet by doing rubbish in the bed, not throwing it everywhere in the trash. I know one more. Save the environment.
Save the environment. That's a good one. So the next question is, if you could eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be? What?
Pizza and ice cream.
Pizza and ice cream, yeah?
Strawberry and ice cream.
Strawberries and ice cream.
And I have one more pizza, ice cream, and cupcakes and cake.
Oh, yeah, okay.
With Coke.
Oh, okay.
I just said milk. No, I saw Coke and milk bitter.
How much does it cost to buy a house?
2,380. A million?
Oh, that's pretty
A
good.
million so bad.
Yeah, $1 million is very close.
No.
A lot of houses in New Zealand average $1 million. Yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
What does this house cost?
Well, this house was a family house, so it was a lot cheaper than normal houses. 4 more questions left. What does love mean?
Love that means you love people that you like. You love people in your family?
Love people in your family. What are you scared of?
Monsters. No. What is scared of? But actually I'm scared of the dark and monsters. Dark.
The dark
And the monsters.
and the monsters.
I said it was wrong, but I did.
What's important?
About your family.
Family?
I said about your family.
About your family. School? School can be important, yeah. Okay, and the last question, do you have a question?
Oh, one more. Eating?
Eating is also important. Do you want to ask Mummy a question?
Can you do another one?
Another question. Since this is Vlogmas, I'm going to ask you one more question related to Christmas. What are you looking forward to the most about Christmas?
Getting some presents because I love presents. No, the thing about Christmas is it's not about the presents about love. I love Christmas.
That's so
That's what it is.
It is.
It's about love
Is
too.
it- I just had a shower, got into pajamas, and now I'm going to go edit my last vlog for Vlogmas. I'm also going to go buy Arlo a new school bag for Christmas. I'm going to buy Everly one later. I'm going to wait and see if her one goes on sale, but this one for Arlo ends tonight, and I don't think it's going to get cheaper than what it is, so I'm going to buy that one right now. If you are watching this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe and come back tomorrow. I know tomorrow's video is going to be so much more exciting. We're going to Auckland, we're going to a Christmas party, I'm going to go see a friend tomorrow, I should get some packages tomorrow, so yeah. Anyway, hope you guys have a good night. Bye!